Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Friend with Benefits Kiara Summer's Mega Masturbator. So let's get started. So this is the Kiara Summer Mega Masturbator itself. Now as you can see, it's a very large size, so we would not recommend this for a beginner user and would recommend this for an expert or a more experienced user in masturbators. It's designed for penis stimulation. As you can see, there are two openings, one anus opening and one vagina opening. It's a realistic design with the backside of the legs and also the buttocks as well. The material is stretchy and flexible to ensure a comfortable fit. It's very realistic and feels very soft and smooth to the touch as well. There are two inside sleeves per opening, and that's with a stimulating texture of ribs, nubs and ribbing as well. When using this Mega Masturbator, we would always recommend to apply water-based lubricants to the opening and the inside of the sleeve for optimal comfort during use. Make sure to clean after every use with a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. We'd also recommend to let the Kiara Summer Mega Masturbator dry completely before using again, and use a renewing powder across the whole Mega Masturbator to ensure the material stays fresher for longer. And that is the Friend with Benefits Kiara Summer Mega Masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.